Hi guys! In this video, we will be learning about energy flows within ecosystems, finishing with an exam-style question.
So to begin with, we're going to look at the energy flows within an ecosystem, and I've just drawn this diagram here to show you the variety between inputs and outputs and the processes that happen in between. So to give you a few examples, the inputs come from things like the sun, plants, animals, and the soil, and this happens through solar radiation, dispersal, migration, and erosion and deposition. And these are inputted into the ecosystem where we have our plants, consumers, and decomposers, which we learnt in the last video were our biotic components. And to give you a recap, biotic components are the living factors within our ecosystems. And you can see that the outputs, therefore, a lot of them are the abiotic components, such as things like the sun, which influences the climate, and we learnt that the climate was one of our abiotic factors, which means non-living. And then we have our outputs, which are very much linked to our inputs. So we have long-wave radiation being emitted back into space. We have the release of heat into the environment, the dispersal of plants, and the outwards migration of animals, as well as erosion and leaching of soil organic matter. So as you can see, the energy flows through an ecosystem through inputs, then to the outputs. So I did mention in the previous video that ecosystems are open systems, and this means that organisms such as plants and animals can enter into the ecosystem from outside it, and they can also, once they're inside, they can leave. So it's not a closed off system. As an example here, just to show you, I mentioned that one of the inputs into ecosystems was animals migrating into the area. So as you can see, the ecosystem is not confined and it doesn't have borders. So to give you an idea of the flows within an open system, such as the organisms, energy flows into organisms, which enables them to do things like grow, maintain themselves, reproduce, and move, which is another word for locomotion. So locomotion means move. And so organisms, therefore, are both a source and a loss of energy. So organisms will be a source of energy when they die and they decompose.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.